our first and only stop for the day.
Only.
Only stop.
I need to pee again.
कर तो
That's
लिया
how
यार.
the bladder works, Viren.
Stop drinking so much water.
We're 2 hours into our trip and we stopped at what's it called?
Namaste Dwar.
Namaste Dwar. For those of you traveling to Rishikesh, it's actually a nice spot. It's 2 hours into the journey from Delhi, and you've got McDonald's, and you've got a bunch of places, Haldiram, Starbucks. This
But we are going to
area.
Mussoorie.
Yeah.
So yes, on the way to Rishikesh, but we're going to Mussoorie.
You asked me to
Just so
stop
you know.
for a bit.
I don't know why the hell
Oh,
she
I
said
said Rishikesh.
Rishikesh.
Oh, sorry.
I was like, yo, ये पागल होगी?
I'm just sleep deprived now. I used to waking up early, you know?
And now we're gonna get some chai.
Ciao. What's up, guys? Welcome to our Mussoorie journey. For me, road trips have always been junk food, a lot of chips. As of today morning, we decided to not do chips on this trip. Well, not do chips, but we're carrying nutritious food. I am carrying my eggs, but I wanted to eat more. क्योंकि 6 घंटे वो काफी नहीं होगा. So what I did was, for people who are trying to be a little healthy, I carried like these choco fills in a jar, and that's my milk. Hi, choco. What do you think?
As the Mughals used to call it, Bakhshodi.
They did stop it. He's been chewing.
How do you know? Were you there?
We are almost at our destination.
You know, I was honestly wondering, we're so close to the main crowded area of Mussoorie. How do they have such a big open property there? Now I understand.
Yeah.
Look at
Beauty. The beauty is here.
Kriti, can you come? Please. Hello.
Found in the terrain of Donalty. People say it's very good for your heart and your blood circulation.
Very refreshing.
Yes.
This is exactly what I needed after the 6.5 hour drive. Mr. Gautam Bali here
Wali.
is the GM of the property, and he's giving us a nice grand tour. This used to be a school, right?
This used to be school.
Which school
Yeah.
did you say?
This was Medoc School that was affiliated to the London Oxford University and the Capital University.
So this is a cute little reception. We'll also give you a tour of the actual rooms in a moment. So I'll catch you inside.
I love you. The rooms are so sweet and quaint. I love you.
Oh, thank you. That's a really nice touch.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Very sweet. Thank you.
That's a Garhwali cap which is there, which is also called Pahadi Topi.
Oh, yeah. Oh, did not see this house.
Little powder room. Of course, nice little shower. Balcony. Oh, amazing.
Very cool.
I'm gonna have my cup of tea here in the morning.
See, I have made you an addict.
But they've got an entire connected corridor right here. So even if it rains, you never get wet. You can just go through the corridor, get access to your room, absolutely dry, in impeccable condition. Small little touches that really elevates the property to a different level. But if I'm being honest now, I'm a bit hungry. So we're gonna find out what's next for lunch.
Great. Let's go. Fun story. I actually thought, because this is like a typical thali, there'd be a lot of things that Viren would be allergic to.
Gluten free.
Yes, gluten free, because he's allergic to gluten and chickpeas and MD. But none of the food here has that. So is that us who's ruined our culture, and our culture actually doesn't have gluten originally?
Yeah, I think I'm just
Interesting thought,
Uttaranchali.
एंड पहाड़ी राजमा जो कि बेसिकली हरसिल से मंगाई जाती है हमारी एंड जोली इसे रोस्टेड चावल के साथ में बनती है जंगोरा की खीर जो समक राइस है उसकी खीर थैंक यू सर एंजॉय
So yes, now we're going to enjoy our food. So we'll catch you later for high tea. See you in a second.
Namaste.
As the Mughals call it, Bakhshodi. The goal is there actually.
Let's see what you're made of. Close. Good try.
She's too damn good at this, man. Scary good. No, I still have to hit the pole now.
Oh, you have to hit the pole. Oh shit, I thought the game was over.
And the game is over.
We're exploring the rest of the property, and this is the beer garden. This is really lovely.
It smells amazing in here.
It does, no? Stunning. So what we're watching here is the change of guard ceremony. It's very similar to the one that's performed in the Buckingham Palace, inspired from there. So it's been an entire day and we're still exploring the property, and that's how huge it is. There's this cute little cafe and a restaurant here. That's where we're gonna have our dinner, and that is the stunning view. So for those of you wondering what Savoy is, it's splendid service, accommodation, varied menus, open garden and grounds for yourself and friends. And we also found Viren's friend. I'll show you in the next frame.
This looks.
That's a nice bar area. And that is Viren's friend. So this is real. Yeah.
Saw it walking across the billiards table
Gosh,
on the wall.
how scary.
So after an epic tour of the property, we finally come for dinner to the Royal Afghan. We've got lots of kebabs coming in. So excited. Kriti's gonna enjoy some dal bukhara, since of course this is ITC, you have to have dal bukhara. And we're encouraged to eat with our hands here. They don't serve food with cutlery, which is gonna be a good experience. I haven't had food with my hands in a long time now, actually.
Yeah.
Why don't we do that? We should do that. That's
You
part
do
of
that
our culture.
actually.
I do.
Dal
I
chawal
used to do
sometimes
that.
when you eat. Huh?
Yeah, but then I stopped for some reason. I think I'll start again. So Kriti is going to tell us more about the history, because let's be honest, I was always a horrible student and I don't remember any of this. Just kidding. I remember some parts, but she will articulate it a lot better. So please tell us, ma'am, Kriti ma'am.
I shall try now that you've set the bar this high. No, not really. Okay, so this place, beautiful property, about 24 acres roughly of land, and in the 1800s it was a hunting lodge. Post that, then it became a school, and then finally it became a hotel, I think around the 1900s. It still wasn't Savoy though. It was owned by I don't know who it was owned by, but a British
Irish.
yes.
An Irish officer, I think.
सुनता है थोड़ा बहुत.
See, मुझे भी पता
Yeah,
है.
by an Irish person, and then in I think around 2010 2013 is when they transferred over the rights, so then it
No,
became
no,
ITC.
19. एक minute.
They did.
ये वाला part तो मुझे पता है.
2013
So
it
when
became
the
operational.
Britishers left, that's when the ownership was transferred to an Indian person, who then transferred it
Mr.
to
Kaya.
ITC. Mr. Kaya.
Mr. Kaya had the ownership, and then he transferred it to ITC. So they partnered together, but now they have 12 acres of land because the rest of the land was given to somebody else. So ITC acquired 12 acres of the land. Please, beta, pro pe hi rehne do.
Stepping out of the history books, focusing on the present moment, we're going to be enjoying some mad kebabs. Mad kebabs. So I'm going to show you those in 3, a 2, a 1. Got mutton barra, fish tikka, chicken peshori, and mutton and chicken seek. And where's your
And my
dal?
dal.
The epic dal bukhara.
Yum, yum, yum.
Done with the food. The food is so filling. I had like 5 pieces of kebabs. 5. Me. I'm a big guy. Stuffed like a professional. No, we can't put that in, can we? Stuffed like a turkey on Thanksgiving. Who's the duck?
Viren 0, food 1, but
Viren
Kriti is
0,
still
food
fighting.
1. Kriti is still fighting. How are you fighting if you're just eating bloody dal bukhara? We were just asked if we would like some dessert.
No way, Jose.
As much as I'd like to, literally no space. मेरा यहाँ तक खाना भरा हुआ है, यहाँ तक. I feel like it's gonna come out my nose. You see? Burps. Obviously not gonna burp.
I'm gonna have to live with this all night.
It's not gonna come from up. It's
Correct.
You listen to the orchestra all night. But how good is the weather? So Delhi today apparently has experienced the highest temperature in India ever recorded, 52.3 degrees Celsius,
More than deserts, that's crazy.
which is nuts. But here, thankfully, the weather, Kriti's wearing a jacket, she's wearing an overcoat, it's kind of chilly. The weather's so good.
You can just go on and on and on.
Yeah, I can just keep talking, I have no end to this.
Why don't you talk to people like this? Or
I
as
don't
much?
like people. Anyway, that's it from us. The Kiwi. Signing off. Good night.
Good night.